Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dede, the mom, the boss. I hope you guys have enjoyed the first 2 days of our content challenge. Today is day 3 and I'm showing you guys legit behind the scenes of my struggles filming content every single day. Please stay tuned. So today is a filming day. I just want to dedicate this day for filming and content creating. As you guys know, as you guys know, we are doing a challenge to create content for 7 days, and I want to try to start creating today. And so, yes, baby.
I need Cerelac.
You need Cerelac?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna get you Cerelac, okay? So I want to try to create like most of my content. Why is it so blurry? All right, I'm trying to create most of my content today, and so I'm gonna start my day. I am off. We've had a bad storm and lights went off. Yes, lights go off in America, especially when you have a storm here in Houston, to be precise. So I'm going to try my best to create content, a lot of the content today. I'll use one day to create most of the content that I want, and also content for my business. I think I'll try. And my regular content is like decor and all that, and I've not been doing that for a while, and I'm trying to get back on track. So today is going to be a content day, and let's see how that is going to go. The struggle of being a content creator, because I tell you, it's not easy at all. So my boy says he wants to eat Cerelac. They've already had breakfast, but they've all had breakfast, but without Cerelac, he doesn't think he has eaten. So he takes Cerelac. It's like a snack. It's like a booster food. It's like something special for him. So he needs to have his Cerelac to have a good day. So I'm going to make his Cerelac, and yeah, I'm going to start getting ready for my content for today. So let's do the Cerelac. As earlier mentioned, this video is still a collaboration with my 5 beautiful Cameroonian mom sisters. They are doing a very similar video with their content struggle as well, and their links are down below in the description box. Please do well to check them out right after watching this video.
Mommy, I did it at the balloon.
Here.
Oh, Mommy, can you feed me?
What?
Can you feed me?
You want me to feed you? All right, put your plate, put your bowl over there. Have a seat.
What's that? Go.
Have a seat, boo-boo.
Go away.
What happened? Creating content as a mom is not easy at all. Look at me, who was thinking I was just gonna do this real quick and go. Now Jaden wants me to feed him, but he can feed himself, like you can see, but he still wants me to feed him. That is what motherhood is all about. You gotta be patient. You have your own plans. Your kids have their own plans for you. So that is my real life as I live it. So now I'm gonna make my own coffee to drink, and while I'm drinking my coffee, I'm going to be doing some research on the topics that I'm going to be filming about and make some notes. Who amongst you still drinks Nescafe? Because I don't have a coffee maker. I just drink my Nescafe and it works for me like a charm. But hey, I'm in the market for a coffee maker, so don't laugh at my coffee. Content creators call this scripting in big book. Let me speak like Juditha, scripting. No, I'm just taking notes actually. And you see, Daniela always wants to do the things I'm doing, wants to be part of my entire life. So yes, I love her so much. So she's my little helper. Oh, good job! You did, Mama.
What's after S?
S-A. Oh my boo. what Daniela was doing was she was spelling everybody's name at home and showing me after spelling. So yeah, I just love it. I love it. And we spend time learning every now and then. Here is my battery. I'm charging it. That's the battery for my vlog camera, the one I'm using right now to vlog. And this is the battery for my main camera for filming sit down videos. So I'm just charging them so I don't run out of. I have extra batteries for all of them, at least 3 batteries each, I think, or 2. Yeah, so this is an extra one. Okay guys, so it's time for me to like do my hair real quick and do a quick makeup for the videos. So
I said why?
My hair is all grown. I cut my hair just I cut my hair just a few months ago.
But Mommy, just cut your hair because if you cut your hair, you will never have no hair.
I'm gonna have hair. Look, I cut my hair, but I still have hair. So guys, we're gonna do the makeup and hair real quick,
sit down, please?
So we can look good
Mommy,
for our video. Okay?
Tell me to climb up. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Big hole come from? When you do your makeup, I'm going to put this on your eye, on your brain. Mommy, when you put it on your makeup, I can put this over. Mommy, it's really big. It's really big. Mommy, look at this.
Let me use this opportunity to say thank you guys so much for all the subscribers. I just want to appreciate you guys. You guys don't know what you mean to me. If you're an oldie but goodie, I love and I heart you so much. If you're new here, I hope you're here to stay. Here we have fun. We don't take life too seriously. We just have fun, enjoy ourselves, and we just cooperate and interact and network. So please subscribe if you're not yet, and make sure you click the notification bell right after subscribing so you'd always be notified every single time I upload videos like this.
Mommy, thank you, baby. Huh? Mommy, I have so much helping you. Mommy, here we go.
Thank you.
Oh, ouch.
So I'm done with my makeup and I just have to pop on some lashes and I'll be good to start filming. So this is the makeup I have. I look pretty. This is what it looks like. So let me pop up some lashes and then I'll be ready to set up my filming spot. Okay, let's get going. So this is pretty much where I film. I have this backdrop there, and this is where I film. This is like a small filming station. I'm not consistent because this station is a hallway. You can see that's the kids room right there, and this station is my hallway. So it's very hard for me to really film so that you guys don't hear the noise from the kids playing. Like you can see them playing over there. Sometimes the TV is talking, I don't know. So it's very, very hard for me sometimes, but this is where I'm supposed to film today. I hope that the kids' noise is not going to affect anything. My lights are not here right now, and I'm gonna bring the lights and then set up my space to film so you guys can see exactly how I set up. The struggle is real. Okay guys, so let's get going. This setup is exactly the same setup I've had since I started YouTube. No changes. These equipments have broken. Some of them are just touch me and I'll show you how to fall. But they're the same. But it's so hard for me to film here because you can see it's a hallway and it's so hard. I don't have any filming room. This is where I struggle, so it's not fun filming. I really struggle when I create content, guys. I've put in work. Oh my goodness. So my lights are on and you guys can see, look, I've put the lights. That's one soft box. I know my setting is kind of older setting, but that is it. You guys can see my setup right there. So I have a ring light, this soft box and this soft box, and then my camera right there. So now I'm just going to, you can see the background still looking bare. I'm just going to add some decoration to the background. Damn, this light. From this angle, this is what it looks like now. All right, and that's our table right there. So I'm just going to decorate the background, move the table a little bit, and that's how I'm going to sit to film. Okay. I'm sure you guys already knew that my little helper was gonna come. She doesn't play. This is her favorite time when I'm doing stuff around the house and she's being part of it, helping. She's always like, Mommy, I love helping you. I want to help you. So I'm just testing like the focus right now. I'm going to test the audio. I'm going to test the remote control. I'm going to test the lighting to change the angles and all that. So, and then I'm going to be changing outfits for the different videos and makeup. And guys, this is exactly my life. Look, I was thinking I was filming and then the microphone had fallen down. Man, this thing is not easy. Hi, look at the outfits that I'm going to be using. So yeah. Whew. As I told you guys earlier, I was gonna be alternating outfits for the different sit down videos for this challenge. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos so far. If you're new from the other ladies channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoy yourself here. Please don't get bored. Make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you like this video and share it with all your friends. Let them see my struggles. Thank you guys so very much for the continuous support. I really appreciate you. And if you haven't checked the other ladies yet, please do well to check their videos right after watching this video, because I know you're going to enjoy their content as well. Last makeup. This is the last makeup for the filming day. So yep, the kids are finally asleep, and I think this last video will be more quiet. But my baby, the boy, is sleeping in this room right here, so now I don't have to be too loud. You see why sometimes it's hard for me to film when they're sleeping, because I literally have to film right beside their room. It's hard. So yeah, Daniela is downstairs and it's late. It's like 5 p.m. Imagine them sleeping right now. What are we gonna do? I don't know. So guys, let's continue. Let's just continue this video. Okay, but this is really my filming struggle. This is my filming day, and well, I might say let's continue. This is the end now. This is the end of the filming day. Or oh, I said I had to film videos for my business. Let's see about that. Let me finish this one. Okay. And if you're wondering what exactly I'm doing here, I am filming the intro to one of my decor videos in my living room. I'm trying to film an intro for a video here in the living room. So guys, I'm looking for the perfect angle. That's why you see me dancing back and forth. And then I'm setting up my camera to film the video, the close-up and all that good stuff. So this is about it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't hesitate to like, share it, and show everybody who's been wondering how I create my content. This is it. This is a raw video of my content creating process. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Love you guys. Bye.